Hello there. So I just wanted to share with everybody Notary Gadget. If you're a new notary, or if you're just if you've been a notary and you haven't heard about Notary Gadget, I am here to share it with you. So let's take a look. So I'm currently sharing my screen with you guys. I've already created like a temporary profile. So starting off, you don't have to purchase Notary Gadget right off the bat. They do give you a trial period, as you can see here at the top. The trial period expires in 15 signings. So as soon as you get 15 signings, you will have to purchase a membership. So let's go ahead and take a look at that real quick. So I'm going to click here to subscribe. So as you see, you have the $9.95 per month option, the 1 year option, which is $99.95. Over here, they say you save 16%. And then there's a 3 year option for $249.95. And there they say it's a 30% saving. Okay, you can choose to auto renew, and then you put your credit card information in there, and then you agree to the terms. So it's just that simple, you guys. All righty. So let's go to the functions of Notary Gadget. So to give a brief synopsis of it, Notary Gadget is basically like a notary accounting platform where you guys can keep track of all your loan signings, as well as, G&W, general notary work. You can also have access to a calendar that you can sync to your Google Calendar. It goes over expenses. So like if you have any business expenses or you have any other income from other services that you offer, they have the option of inputting that as well. You're able to keep up with all your customers and clients, and it generates reports. So getting into that. Okay, we're already on the homepage. Sorry, you guys. Okay, so as you can see over here to the left side, it tells you if you have any upcoming signings, invoices that need to be sent out. It tracks your mileage, notarial acts, because as you should know, as a notary, you're not taxed on notarial acts. So that's something that you definitely want to keep track of with all your signings and your general notary work, is how many stamps that you're giving, because you're not taxed on that, if that makes sense to you. Then continuing, it goes over signings, signing fees, if they're unpaid for 30 days, 31 days, 60 days, and unpaid for 60 days or more. Hopefully you guys won't have that, but it's the name of the game. It does happen. So also it has a time frame. So obviously it's 2022 and we don't have anything. So yeah, I'm going to pretend like I have a signing just to show you guys how this works. So I would go to new signing, customer. They have general notary work there already. So then you would put the client's name, first name, their last name. If it was a company that you did the signing for, put the company's name, their phone number, their email. If there was a second signer, you can click that to put the second signer's information in. And here, if it's a remote online notarization, you can check that, because there is no location for that, right? Okay. And then here it has where you have the signing address, and then you have the option of using your address. Here you can add special instructions. So if there were special instructions that you want to attach to each signing just to keep record of that, you can put that here. They have the signing date and time as well. Okay, yeah, here's the calendar for the date, and this is for the time. Okay. Then you can add this to your Google Calendar, which I highly suggest. You can add it to your phone calendar, which I highly suggest as well. You can send an email reminder to yourself about your appointment, and a text reminder, which I highly suggest as well. Then here, you can put the signing duration. Usually if it's general notary work, it's nowhere to 15, 20 minutes, not even that. If you're doing loan signings, 45 minutes, an hour, you can put whatever. So it can block off that specific amount of time for that signing. You can also schedule an email reminder for the signer if you have their email address, which is excellent. And then here it keeps track of all the invoices. You can put your fee amount here. And then for your loan signings, when they give you the order number or escrow number, tracking number, whatever, you can enter that information in there. And then it'll automatically sync on your calendar. And if you have sync with your phone, it'll pull up there as well too. Okay. Oh, let me go back. You can, and then they also have little videos that are very helpful that explain every portion of how to use Notary Gadget, which is very helpful. You can import information. You can enter in payments. And that's all under the signing. Let's see, calendar. Let me get rid of these little boxes because we already know what to do, or at least I do. Anywho, like today, if I wanted to enter in a signing or an appointment for today, I could just go to the calendar, click on the day, enter in a signing. You have the option of entering in an event as well too. So if I had, like, let's just say a mentor appointment, I could enter in that mentor appointment. And let me go ahead and type this in real quick. Hold on, you guys. Let's see. Mentor appointment. Okay. And I'm not going to put an address, date. Let's just say it's for Monday. Time, let's just say 8 a.m. In time, it's going to last about an hour, so 9 a.m. Do we want reminder? Yeah, like let's just say a 60-minute reminder. Notes, I'm going to put in a mentor, new mentee. There we go. You must select how you would like to receive your reminder. Okay. Oh, I haven't granted permission yet. It has to have the permission to post stuff, but anywho, it would, let me deselect reminder. There we go. Let's see if it saves. Okay, there you go. Mentor appointment set up. And then if I wanted to delete it, delete it. It's just that simple. You also have the option of printing out your calendar if that helps for you to look at as well too. You can block out days for different events. So let's just say I had a wedding I have to go to. Okay. Let's just say that's for Monday and it ends Tuesday. Well, I blocked off those 2 days for the wedding event. So I know in my calendar and I know when I go on here, those days are blocked off. So if you have this, your Google Calendar synced with like Calendly or something where people can book appointments with you, this will all sync together. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, this helps. So I am gonna delete it. Okay, there we go. So I unblocked those days. Expenses, moving on. So if you have a new expense, which you'll have expenses if you have your own business, because obviously you have to purchase toner, paper, pens, supplies for your notary business, you can put that here. So see, it has some that are already pre-populated, like account fees, advertising, bank fees, document printing, shipping, insurance, license, meals, mileage, miscellaneous, office supplies, parking tolls, phone, fax, and postage. You can put all this in here and it'll keep track of it. Okay. Then if you have new income, so at the top it says payments received for signing should be entered on the signings page under each signing. This particular window is used to enter general income that is not tied to a specific signing. So if you offer other services other than notary or loan signing agent services, you can put that here. Okay, you can create a new category so that you can categorize that income, put the amount, the vendor, and any specific notes. So I think that's excellent. And then here it has recurring transactions. So if it's like a membership fee or something that happens at a specific time every month, you can put that here to keep up with it, whatever it may be. You can edit categories. You can add new categories. We're not doing that, but I just want to show you can search for specific transactions. Moving along to the customers tab. here, if you had customers listed, you could look them up by their alphabetically by their names and or companies or what have you. They have all that for you. You could send a mass email to everybody if you wanted to for any marketing or whatever. Let's see. You could download this to an Excel spreadsheet if need be. That's convenient. Then moving along to reports. Now, this is where I was telling you where you can generate a P&L, which is a profit and loss report for any specific year. You can generate sales report, unpaid invoices, mileage report, 1099 payments. So this isn't actually going to be a real 1099, but this is something that you can compare to the 1099s that you receive from the different people that you contract with to make sure information is accurate. Okay. And that is pretty much it. Yep. They have different settings. You can set your invoices to pretty much say whatever you want them to say. You can customize it. You can do whatever you want to do. So I just wanted to give you guys the basic gist of Notary Gadget. Okay. This is an excellent tool to use, like I said, to keep up with all your notary work and your loan signings and any other little services that you offer. It's excellent. It helps keep you organized. It helps you to keep track of your money, all that good stuff. So I highly, highly suggest this. Now, I will say this. If you plan on like purchasing a home or doing any type of business transactions where they solely depend on like a P&L statement, which is your profit and loss statement, accountants really don't use this. That's more for QuickBooks. So I would use this and also QuickBooks as well. And I will post a video about just going over briefly how to use QuickBooks if you want to upload your information to that as well. And that is what accountants and bookkeepers do use. So they will be able to use that profit and loss report because pretty much that's like the industry standard. Okay. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask. I will also include a link where you guys can sign up for Notary Gadget. I would appreciate it if you sign up through using my link if you saw this video. And that is pretty much it, you guys. So yes, Notary Gadget is the way to go to track your income, track your invoices, send your invoices, keep up with your mileage, keep up with everything notary wise that you need to keep up with your business.